Hi everyone, I'm Marc Sievers, and today I'm going to show you my favorite way of preserving fresh herbs in the freezer. So I happen to keep a lot of fresh herbs in the fridge in rotation at all times, but there's a lot of instances where I don't really use the whole package of rosemary or all of the thyme or the entire bunch of parsley in a week. So instead of throwing it out, I like to make olive oil and herb ice cubes to use later on in soups or sautés or any place that you can add olive oil and a fresh herb. So let me show you how I do this. So I need a few different things. I have a small freezer, and so I found these fabulous silicone ice cube trays that have lids. So what's great about this is I can stack multiples on top of one another if I have a lot of herbs to freeze, or I can also stack items on top of it in the freezer. So that's one little genius tip that I really can't live without, especially for this project. So it's really simple. So here I have a little bit of fresh parsley, and I'm just gonna give it a rough chop. Parsley and olive oil, this is a great thing to put into soups or stock, something like this. If you're gonna saute onions or vegetables, you could do rosemary, thyme, you can do combinations. And I also find that my cubes hold about a tablespoon of a leafy herb like parsley, and I like to do teaspoons of some of the stronger herbs like thyme and rosemary or sage. Then all I do is top it with a little bit of olive oil, and if there's any air bubbles, just get the little air bubbles out. Pop it, you can make as many of these as you want and as many flavors as you want. Pop the lid on, and then you get wonderful frozen olive oil and herb ice cubes. And because it's silicone, they really do pop right out without any problem. Et voila! How cool are these? Then you can just store them in a freezer bag, you can put them in deli containers, you can add dates to them so you know when you've made them, and you have instant flavor around the clock and regardless of what season. I'm Marc Sievers. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and head it over to marcsievers.com where you can get more recipes, entertaining ideas, and info about my books. Bye guys.